My lovely friends, here we are again in Twilight Zone. Not really. Everything that's going on in the market right now, as I am doing this video blog, I foretold to you before it happened. And I'm very proud to say that, honestly. So let's talk about these markets. We understand the developments over the weekend, the G20, OPEC, Russia, the president, and China. Well, would you be surprised to know that the S&P 500 just opened at a new record high? Crude oil is surging. Again, none of this is a surprise to a single one of you that follows this blog. Let's talk about a couple of other things and why things are the way they are. Cryptocurrencies are getting hit across the board. Gold is getting hit. Silver is getting hit. Why? Well, the game, once again, people, is risk on. Even bonds are selling off to a certain degree. Cash is making its way into the stock market. It's so simple to follow the money. That's all you got to do is follow it. I wrote a whole paper on it called The Fluidity of Money. It's not available anymore, but maybe I'll reissue it. Anyway, so what we're seeing here, easily predictable. We know what they're going to do before they do it. And I'm still sticking to my guns here, and I've been getting a lot of flack. I still believe we are going to get a rate cut this month. 25 basis points. That's my take now. I'm going from 50 to 25. Again, it's not so much the number, it's the premise behind it. The market is going to get what it wants from the Fed. It's not the Fed dictating to the market. It's the market dictating to the Fed. And not just the Fed. It's every single world central banks. Believe me, and I've been pretty accurate as of late. World central banks this month are going to embark on a new thing, something far out there that we haven't even begun to see unfold yet. They have no choice here. They never had a plan to unwind this, so they're going to inflate. You understand? They never had a plan to unwind this, so they're going to inflate, and inflate big, big. So regardless of what they're doing to even cryptocurrencies, gold and silver, hard assets, this is where you need to be. This is where you need to be. Crude oil as well. Even though it's surging higher right now, no shock to any of you. I've been explaining to you that crude weeks ago was going to continue this surge higher. We haven't seen anything yet with regard to that either. Understand, the next phase of, or part of the game that they're about to throw at us is a much deeper currency war. They're going to melt down the global fiat currencies. So everything is going to become more expensive. Shares of stocks will go up. Everything you buy is going to go up. It's crazy. Crude oil, commodities. I sincerely believe that the next super bubble, in a way, because of sheer panic, is going to be in commodities, believe it or not. I wrote about this too a while back. Again, right now the game is risk on. Clearly, all right? Now, I'm not saying the market is going to maintain where it is throughout the end of the day. I have no idea. What I'd like to see, I'd like to see the market give back a little bit and there'd be a good trading point to get long again. We're going to see a lot of volatility, I think, this week, all right? We can take advantage of this as lions, as traders. But it's pretty simple to understand where we're going in the longer run. I mean, it couldn't be more. There's no guesswork here anymore. There is no guesswork. There's no speculation either. I think this is all kind of written in stone. We know what they're going to do before they do it. And I've been explaining this to you and detailing it for you for I don't even know how long now. I tell you something's going to happen, and guess what? Most of the time, by a large margin, these things do happen. So there's a lot going on here, but it's not hard to put into perspective, so at least we know what to do and how to position ourselves, because that's the main thing. You're going to sit down and be fleeced like these people out here outside my window? No, you're not going to be. I'm not going to allow that. Not on my watch. Not happening. So by just paying attention to a few dynamics here, we know exactly what they're going to do before they do it, and then they're going to go, look what we did! Like we didn't know that's what they were going to do. It's a joke. It's a joke. And you know what? The joke is not on us anymore. The joke is on them. Because, again, they're making it too easy for you and I to read exactly what they're going to do before they do it. It's unbelievable. It really is. Anyway, with that said, good. Let them play their games with gold. Let them play their games with silver. And honestly, I am bullish with regard to cryptocurrencies here. I've been bullish since Bitcoin was 3,500, and regardless of the pullback we've gotten here in cryptos, especially Bitcoin, I'm still bullish here. I'm not going to put another target on Bitcoin, at least for now. I've proven that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to calling targets on these things. But I can just say this, I'm bullish on cryptos. I am over the top, extremely bullish on precious metals, more so silver. Again, I'll leave you off with this. In my opinion, and I've been damn accurate for a long time, silver is the most undervalued asset on the planet. On the planet, I can't imagine a single asset, not one, that is more undervalued than physical silver. And if you don't know why, just let your fingers do the walking. Do a little research into it, all right? So, you got to get yourself involved in this. All right, anyway, with that said, let's keep our eyes on this. Very interesting, but no surprise, no shock whatsoever, and kind of interesting. All right, with that said, I'll see you at the end of the day. Love you a lot. Bye.